In today's video, I will teach you 3 easy ways to revert images back to the original in Lightroom. Let's get started! Reverting images back to their original state in Lightroom is a simple process that can be done in multiple ways. The first one is using the Reset button. Start by opening the Develop module and select the image that you want to revert. In the lower right corner of the Develop panel, click the Reset button. This will revert all adjustments back to the original settings as imported. This is best when you want to remove all edits quickly and start from scratch. The second method is reverting using the History panel. In the Develop module, select your image. On the left side of the Develop module, locate the History panel. Then scroll through the history to find either the import step or the earliest step. Then click on it to revert the image to its state upon import. This is useful when you want to see the image at different stages of editing or undo specific changes incrementally. And the third way is using the before and after view and copy original settings. To do this, press the backward slash key to toggle between the edited version and the original version of the image. If you decide to keep the original settings, you can manually reset the individual sliders or click Reset to apply the original settings across all adjustments. This is ideal for comparing current edits with the original and deciding on specific changes to keep or revert. If you want to explore different edits without losing your current adjustments, create a virtual copy by right-clicking the image and selecting Create Virtual Copy. This allows you to experiment while keeping the original edits intact. Reverting images back to the original state in Lightroom can be done quickly and easily using the Reset button, History panel, and before and after view. Each method offers flexibility depending on your workflow needs, whether you want to reset all changes or revert to a specific point in the editing process. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.